right, so now we're going to do the dessert one, which is another mixture of oddball ingredients, but because one of them is a dessert and the other one was savory, I feel like the savory one has to contend with more bias. We have a sweet potato pie, one of the kind that comes from a store. It often ends up as a leftover. We have a little pecan pie right here. Again, also oftentimes ends up as a leftover. Pecan pie specifically, not necessarily these small ones. And then something that you find in a lot of freezers, cheap vanilla ice cream. Quarter of a sweet potato pie. Boom. Add half of the pecan pie.
Gotta get that nuttiness in there.
Two, I feel like one per pie-like item in there. This is whipping cream at the urging of Molly there. Very helpful. Look at that pour.
Thick.
Look at that pour. Thick with 2 Ks. I know what everyone's thinking. Ha! Oh, he's stupid. He forgot about the thing he said that you were going to do later with the pecan pie. And he didn't do it. Ugh. Well, no, I'm going to do it in a second. You're about to see. You're going to eat those words. Or not.
You mean drink your words?
Drink the words, yes.
You're going to need straws.
All right, so we're going to take this leftover pecan and just going to kind of just going to pulverize it into bits, little crumbly bits. And yes, you guessed it, we're going to use it as a crumble. It's going to be a topping. Because I mean, let's be fancy here. Garnishes are awesome. Well, no, honestly, most of the time I hate garnishes, but Claire's nice. The title's still accurate. There's 2 of us. Double trouble cooking.